Hey guys, I'm Michelle, one of the co-hosts of a podcast for creatives. We all have things in our creative business and in our work that we just dread doing. And for me, in my creative business, that is asking for the sale, whether it's sending out an email promoting something that I'm selling or speaking directly to someone and pitching my idea to them. So I wanted to share the two tactics that I have been using to get over my fear of selling to people. The first is just reframing my mindset. If I'm going into writing that sales email or delivering that pitch with the thought that this can't help the other person, I'm just going to be bothering them and in no way is this going to benefit them, of course I'm not going to want to present the idea because it means that I don't even believe in what I'm saying to them. Instead, I remind myself that I have something of value to share with them and I may be holding that one thing that they have been searching for everywhere. So with that mind shift and having an understanding that I am holding on to something that could potentially be a solution and this person desperately wants it, that just makes it so much easier for me to communicate with them and present all the benefits and just be genuinely excited about sharing this product or idea. The second tactic I use is to take myself out of the equation. We've all heard the expression that it's not personal, it's business. But when it's my business, I'm sorry, it is personal. So when I'm the person who is being tasked with writing a sales email or delivering a pitch, I like to direct myself as if I'm not myself. I pretend that I'm an employee. I'm a completely different person. And if you have a dramatic mind like I do, you can make yourself into a character, if you will. And I decide to give myself instructions just like I would an employee. And that just for some reason makes it a lot easier for me to follow when I'm not so worried about being the owner of the company and I put myself in that role as an employee. Whatever you're struggling with today, try to find these little tricks that are gonna help you get over it, move past it, and just make it easier for you to execute on going forward.